What if I told you there's a proven system that's already helped creators make over $4.5 million, and you could be next? To celebrate the holiday and all the Black Friday events, we've got an exclusive limited time deal just for you. But here's the catch. You need to hang out until the end of this video to get all the juicy details. So let's dive into my main business building offer called GroupJuice, the ecosystem designed by Nate Ryan and Flip Moss that's been the secret behind my success this past year. GroupJuice is redefining what it means to grow and monetize an online community. This powerful process has helped hundreds of people, affiliates, coaches, and content creators add significant income to their account. It's the same system responsible for generating over $4.5 million in online sales. Take it from these real success stories. There's Thad and Demi, turned their idea into over $100,000 in just 100 days. And Chantel hit $100,000 in less than a year and is now working on multiple six figures. And there are countless others who've transformed their businesses and lives through GroupJuice. What does this mean for you? It means you're next. You're on the edge of leveling up your business, becoming the go-to authority in your niche, and building a community that doesn't just engage, but it pays. So I'm gonna break down what GroupJuice does for you step by step. We talk about explosive group growth and audience building. Learn how to dominate short-form video platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram to attract a dedicated audience. You'll discover how to drive organic growth, magnetize your ideal followers, and set the foundation for a thriving, engaged community. Crafting content that converts. Creating content that speaks directly to your audience's needs. From crafting the perfect welcome message to designing strategic posts, you'll learn how to transform curiosity into conversions. This is where passive viewers become active community members and future clients. Monetizing your community. You can turn your audience into income. This session reveals how to monetize through strategic engagement, valuable content, and a community-first approach. Learn to build a business model that thrives on the value that you deliver. Mastery of sales without sales call. Here's a game changer. A unique sales process that allows you to close high-paying clients without the hassle of traditional sales calls. You'll learn how to convert leads effortlessly using methods that feel natural and streamlined. With GroupJuice, you're not just building a community, you're becoming the authority in your niche. This program has been a catalyst for over $4.5 million. It includes free weekly coaching calls to support your journey every step of the way. So are you ready to be the next success story? Well, hold up, because now that you made it to the end, it's time for the exciting details. Now, to celebrate Thanksgiving and of course Black Friday, you won't have to pay the usual annual membership fee. And in fact, you'll be able to save $945 at the door. That means for the next few days only, you can grab it for just $555. That's $555. This deal is only available for a limited time, so don't miss out. But that's not all. As a bonus, when you join right now, you'll also get access to my upcoming Video Editing Made Easy 3-day intensive and exclusive access to my Mindstorm marketing community, looking to help you with your video production and editing needs for your business. To get all the details and take advantage of this amazing offer, just comment JUICE down below and I'll send you the details. We can see if it's the right fit for you, and I'll personally guide you every step of the way to your success. Don't wait. This is your chance to join a community that's proven to deliver results. So let's make this happen.